The if statement and body can optionally be followed by the else statement. When the if statement test is false, then the if body is skipped and the else body executes. When the test is true, then the if body is executed and the else body is skipped. Here's a tabular view of this behavior. The else statement syntax is simply the keyword else followed by a colon. The else body is a set of statements that follow the else statement whose tab number is greater than the else statement tab number. Let's walk through an example. If x is equal to 2, then Python increases x by 4. If x is not equal to 2, then Python increases x by 12. Let's go through this program step by step. As always, Python begins at line 1, tab 0. Here, Python stores 0 in variable x. Python then executes the if statement at line 2, tab 0. Since x is 0, the if test is false. When the test is false, LWPython skips the if body by incrementing the current line but keeping the current tab the same. Since the current tab, 0, is less than the statements tab, which is 1, Python is going to skip this line. There is an else statement at line 4, tab 0. Since the if statement test is false, Python enters the else body by incrementing both the current line and current tab. Python then executes the assignment statement at line 5, tab 1. This assignment first adds x and 12, then stores the sum back in x. Thus, x now contains 12. In the next lesson, let's examine how LWPython state changes during the else statement execution.